You guys asked me how to start CPA marketing in 2021. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. And this method takes a bit more time and a bit more work, but it is legit. And best thing about this CPA marketing method is you can actually run ads. Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, and so on and so on. So you can make even more money. So let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First thing you need to do, you need to make your blog or website. And the reason for that is because if you do CPA marketing in this way, then you can run ads. You can run Facebook ads, Bing ads, Google ads, and so on and so on. And I would suggest to host your own blog or website, to pay for your own hosting, because in that case, you are the owner of that blog or website. I personally use Bluehost, as you can see here, and their cheapest plan starts with $3.95 per month, which is not that much. If you don't have this money, you can use WordPress hosting or you can use Blogger. I would suggest to use Blogger because Blogger is owned by Google and in my opinion it's easier to use. And if you have Gmail account, you can register for Blogger. Now to register for Blogger, simply go on Google and here in upper right corner click on these dots here on Google Apps. Click here, scroll here and click on Blogger. And then click here, create your blog. You will need to sign in with your Gmail account. I will choose this one here. And here you need to add title of your blog. Let's say my blog title is Shopping Guide. Click here on Next. And now I need to choose my domain name. So I will choose, let's try to see if Shopping Guide is available. There cannot be spaces. It's not available. Try another one, not available. Well, I'll just add 12 here to see if it's available. It is available. So click here on Next, confirm display, let's say Zoran in this case, and click here on Finish. Wait a few seconds to process, and this is it. I created my blog. This will be your dashboard. As you can see here, here are the posts, and currently there is no posts here because this is the new blog. Here you can manage comments, earnings, that is if you are in Google AdSense program, pages, layouts, you can customize layouts and we will need this later. Themes, you can go on Google and find free blogger themes or templates that you can use to make your website, your blog look more professional. And here are the settings. Settings are important. Click here on settings. Here you can see you can add title, you can change the title of your blog, you can add description. Description is important because of SEO. You can choose language, adult content. This is not adult content. We will not use any adult content in this blog, but you can use it if you want, as you can see here. And when we scroll here, this is important, publishing. This is my Blogger address, shopping-guide12.blogspot.com. Now you can use Blogger domain, free domain, but I would suggest to use a custom domain. As you can see here, click here and you can add your custom domain. Now you can find custom domains very cheaply. You can find .info domain for just $3.98 per year, which is actually not that expensive. If you don't have this money, you can simply go on websites like Microworkers and do some micro tasks. In just 2 or 3 days, you will earn $4 and you can use that money to register .info domain. And in that case, you will have custom domain, which is much better than free domain from Google, from Blogger in this case. So now we need to start CPA marketing. We need to start promoting CPA affiliate offers. So I will go on CPA lead. Let me just click here and I'm here on CPA lead affiliate offers. And as you can see here, it's automatically on United States, but you can use any other country. Here I will choose email and surveys because those are the easiest to promote and because there is the least scams in these categories. And we just scroll here. Okay. Win $1,000 Visa gift card. Those are easy to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this offer here. I will click on it. And here is my CPA lead affiliate link that I need to use for promotion. And here you can see some more data about this offer. And when we scroll here, we can see this. This is the HTML of this banner. And we will actually need this later and you will see why. So now we need to start promoting this offer, and because we are using our blog or website, I need to go back on Blogger in this case, and I will need to click here on New Post. Give it a few seconds. I need to add title to my article. Let's say 5 tiny shopping habits that will save you loads of money in the long run. This is a useful article. So now I need to add article. I will paste it here. And you can add photos, you can add videos here, you can highlight this for example, and you can click here on normal, and let's say this is a minor heading, and this is also good for SEO, and you can make it bold, you can make it italic, and so on and so on. You can change the color. And because this article is about how to save money while shopping, what you can do is you can offer these people in this article, you can offer them $1,000 free gift card. And you know that these people are highly interested in exactly that because that is the topic of your article. So there is a big probability that some of those people will actually click and register for that free gift card. So what you need to do, you need to go back on CPA lead, you need to copy your CPA lead affiliate link, Control C, go back on Blogger, and let's say I wish to add it here. Okay, highlight, click here on this little chain, paste your affiliate link here, let's say open a new tab, click here apply, and I added my CPA lead affiliate link here in this article. You can also add banners, but I would not recommend to do that in the article itself because of the ads. Here you can add labels or categories. Here you can schedule your articles, as you can see here. Here you can add location. Here you can add description, and you should use all of these. And like I said, you can add photos and videos. If you are adding photos and videos, please use Pixabay, Unsplash, or Pexels. Use royalty-free websites. And after you finish, all you have to do is just click here on publish, and you will publish your article. Click here confirm, and that's it. You published your article. Now I didn't add any photos, that is why there is just 5 here. And when I click here on this little eye, I will see how my article actually is looking, and this is how it looks. And like I said, you can go on Google and find free blogger themes, and your blog will look much different than this. Let me just close this. Another way to do CPA marketing on blogs is you can add your CPA affiliate banners in the sidebar or above the article or below the article. To do that in Blogger, click here on layout, give it a few seconds, and here you can add different gadgets. Let's say I wish to add banner on sidebar top. I will click here add gadget, and what I need to do, I need to find this HTML JavaScript. Click here, and this is it. I will go back on CPA lead, scroll here, and I will copy this HTML code here. Copy, Control C, go back here, click here, paste, click save, and that's it. I will go back here, and let's say I wish to reposition this CPA banner. All I have to do is just come here, hover above it, click left click, and just drag it. Let's say I wish to add it above the article. Let's say here, and then click here on save, and then click here on this little eye as a preview. Click on it just to see how it looks. And this is my CPA lead affiliate banner, as you can see above the article. Now, of course, this is a small banner. You can add bigger banners if you want, or you can, like I said, you can add banners here on the sidebar. You can add banners above, below the article, and so on and so on. Then after you finish, let me just close this. Again, just click here on save, and that's it. And all you have to do now is just start promoting that article. And like I said, if you are doing CPA marketing in this way, if you are promoting articles and in that article you promote your CPA lead or max bounty or whatever affiliate link, and you use CPA banners on the sidebar above the articles, below the articles, then you can run Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter ads, Pinterest ads, and so on and so on. And because you're promoting articles, you are actually providing value. You can share that on Quora, on Facebook pages, on Twitter, on Reddit, and so on and so on, and in that way you will drive free traffic. And if you did a good keyword research, you can actually rank those articles on first page on Google, and Google will send you a free traffic as well. And best traffic is Google traffic. And this is how actually many of these CPA marketers are actually making lots of money. They are providing good, valuable articles, and in those articles, they are promoting CPA offers, and in their blogs and websites, they are actually promoting CPA offer banners. And that is how they are actually making thousands and thousands of dollars, and that is how they are actually running ads. And they use those ads to get thousands and thousands of visitors to their blogs. Tactic that many CPA marketers are using is they actually write a viral article and then they use Facebook ads to push that article to go viral. And after that, they simply stop that campaign, but that article is still going viral and they are now getting free traffic from Facebook. And if you are targeting countries like India, for example, for just $20 or $30, you can push your article with Facebook ads to go viral, and then you will start getting free traffic from Facebook. So this is how to start CPA marketing in 2021. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.